What is a chemical reaction? Bonds are broken and reformed in a different way during a chemical reaction. Watch as hydrogen and oxygen molecules undergo a chemical reaction. The new molecules contain the same atoms. However, the bonds are different. They're connected in a different way. How are chemical reactions represented? A chemical equation joins the words of chemistry, the chemical formulas, into a sentence that describes the changes during a chemical reaction. Chemical equations show the starting materials, the reactants. The states of matter of the chemicals involved. The arrow represents the change, and the reaction also shows the products. Some reactions can go in both directions. Reactants form products, the forward reaction, and the products can reform the reactants, the reverse reaction. These reactions are called equilibrium reactions or reversible reactions, and they are shown with a double arrow. The coefficients that are used to balance equations give the ratio of moles of the various compounds. Balancing equations will be explained in a future tutorial. In this example, for every 2 moles of hydrogen, 1 mole of oxygen is needed to react, and 2 moles of water are produced. What are the different types of reactions? Composition reactions, also known as synthesis reactions, combine more than one type of matter into one type. For example, hydrogen and oxygen molecules combine to form water molecules. Even though there are 2 water molecules in the end, there's still only one type of compound. It's still a composition reaction. Decomposition reactions are the opposite of composition reactions. They take one type of matter and decompose it into more than one type. For example, as H2CO3 is heated, it decomposes to form CO2 and water. Single displacement reactions are when an ion in a compound is replaced by a single element. In this example, the single element is zinc. It will replace the hydrogen ions in the compound. Double displacement reactions are between 2 ionic compounds. Their ions are switched. In this example, the sodium ion is originally with the chlorine ion. However, in the end, the silver ion is with the chlorine ion. Neutralization reactions, or acid-base reactions, are double replacement reactions. Neutralization reactions have an acid and a base as the reactants. After the switch of the ions, the products will always be a salt, which is another name for ionic compound, and water. Not all reactions fit into one of these types. They may be a combination of other types, or they may not fit any type at all. For example, this reaction is a combination of a double displacement and a decomposition reaction. Some reactions produce a gas. The production of a gas will become important when discussing equilibrium in a future tutorial. For example, this reaction produces a gas because H2CO3 is unstable at room temperatures. This gas production drives the reaction to create more products.